because
What?
YouTube.
Is it?
In YouTube,
Walang portal.
Kaya na, everything went forward.
another things. YouTube,
YouPorn.
no.
UGs. YouPage.
You can learn many things here because I do research using this YouTube and I'm more on I learn visual through
Ay ko na nga dito.
visual
Yeah.
Is that an honest answer?
yes because when I was in high school or elementary also not
There's no YouTube.
there's
There's library.
yes
There's books.
it's very boring there
And start to watch porn.
now our life's very simple.
Now is one click away.
True. But you have an internet, so
Of course.